Whakaalo Fatu, good morning. Back here at Hayden's gym, training legs today. Haven't trained legs in a long time.
Hey, whakalo too. Legs today. Nah, it's Saturday, so looking forward to these workouts. Try to get a good sweat to start the weekend.
Yeah.
Yep.
Squats. Taha. Dua. Tiga. Empat. Lima. Enam. Tujuh. Oh wow, we're halfway through the squats. We've done 10 sets. 10 sets of 10 squats, eh?
10 sets of 10, yep.
So, how are you feeling, bro?
It's easy. It's the quads are starting to burn.
Yeah.
Got a lot of fuel in the body that needs to be burnt off. So we're gonna have massive quads after that.
Yeah.
Should be good. Yeah, no comment. It's halfway through.
This is Dave, the owner of the gym.
Yeah, horse track. Yeah.
Oh, horse track.
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, we're up to our 20th set. 20th set. How's the legs?
Not too bad. I think it's gonna hurt tonight. So that's 200 squats, and we're just gonna finish on some biceps. Just to
bicep curl. It's hammer curl. Bicep curl. Kawa. Cik. Dua. Tol. Fa. Lima. Ono. Fitu. Balu. Hiva. Ol. Tol. Fa. Lima. Ono. Fitu. Balu. Hiva. Okay, we're on our Ohui cardio after weights. This is the bros area. Man, just over there is St. Heliers Mission Bay town over there.
just going around the block to get the benefits of that heavy weights.
Yeah.
Burning some fat doing cardio.
Yeah, a lot of lactic acid.
Very fruitful area. We've got lots of Fiji hours. Help us out. Just don't let the owner see you.
Shucks, GI's down that way. Yeah, good for lactic acid, old cardio.
Yeah.
Build up.
Just going a 15-minute walk. It's a little bit, there's a few hills, but it's mostly flat.
Yeah.
That's the what's the goals for the year, John?
Me, my goals, well, I've got my son's hair cutting in June. Just aiming towards that, and just trying to go on as many holidays as I can.
Sounds good.
I've been to probably 4 or 5 spots I've never been this year. Gonna try and get to more.
Nice.
Yeah, probably Napier, Hastings.
Oh, around New Zealand.
Yeah, maybe Queenstown, and
Nice.
yeah, wherever the money allows us to go.
It's nothing like exploring your own backyard.
That's right.
Spots around New Zealand.
But as soon as Niue opens, boom, I'm gone.
Yeah, we're waiting to go to Niue.
Yeah,
Check out our houses.
that's right.
Hopefully travel opens up and then we'll get the Airbnb running again.
Yep.
So our house is in Alofi. It's capital of Niue. Perfect location, just across the road from the wharf.
Yep.
So give you an update on that when the borders open without isolation.
That's right. Because we got kids, we can't really isolate for a week in a hotel.
Yeah,
It's not fair on the kids.
yeah. Sort of life's it's pretty busy, kind of. Sort of need every day you can.
Hey, Mike!
Yeah,
That's the builder.
he's well known around here. People beeping out. trying to get into our YouTube channel.
If you need a builder too, what Mike Jones, eh?
Mike Jones, a good dude.
Yeah.
He's a very good builder. Yeah, so some good goals traveling. You know, we've been busy in the healthcare sector, just constantly working. Even when our families had COVID, we still had to go to work.
That's true.
We tested daily rat tests, so we're always doing these tests every day. So
Yeah, people had 3 months off work. Where were we? OT. Wow.
mind you though, it's kind of a little bit easier to go to work than being stuck at home.
That's true.
Yeah, it's just sort of pros and cons. All right.
That's Cardio Talks. Cool.
All right, time for my favorite part. I just got some frozen berries. Spinach in there. Some peanut butter. And just the same protein. Vanilla. I never do this only on Saturday. Just eat a lot of eggs. That's what I try and get my protein from. A lot of eggs, a lot of chicken. Not too worried about that. It's the weekend. Try and do something.
I swear,
just
you
some,
bought that protein 2-3 years ago.
Nah. Bro, that expires at the end of the year, so probably 2 years. Still good. Keep it in a nice, dry, cool place. Oh, sweet. Cheers, man. Good workout. Man, you can taste the peanut butter. See you next time.
Tastes good. Yeah, if you like the video, like, subscribe, comment, and yeah, have a smoothie after your workout, eh? Yeah. Okay.
Keeps you full, so you don't grab the packet of chips. It keeps you full. Man, that was